Hi guys, so the July update for the Samsung Galaxy S20 series is out right now. I just received it today and I've already done a couple of tests with the June update and I'll be linking those in the cards above, so make sure you watch all of them. Now let's see if the July update brings any differences. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Hi guys, so this update is supposed to bring video stabilization and zoom improvements and we'll get to that in a bit. But let's check out the autofocus first, as this has always been the main center of discussion. So I had already done previous tests on this with the June update, which I'll be linking in the cards above. So let's get started and let's see if there are any more changes with the July update. So I'm in 4K 60 right now. So I had done autofocus lock on this one. So yeah, the focus is locked now. I'll remove the autofocus lock. I think the autofocus is now as smooth as it can ever be. So guys, I'm in 4K 30 FPS right now, and I know that autofocus is not the focus of this July update, but still we are checking this out as it was always a point of concern. Now I'm in 8K. Yeah, as I said, the autofocus is now as good as it can ever be. So guys, now let's check out if the zooming has become more smooth, and I'll also be putting up the sample shots that I will take now. So we'll focus on this pedal, 5 times zoom. So we are in indoor lighting conditions, so obviously in outside lighting it will be more good. This is the 10 times zoom. This is what I am in video right now. So let's go to photo. We'll go to the 5 times zoom, 10 times zoom, 30 times zoom, 100 times zoom. So one difference I can notice here is that at 100 times zoom or even at 30 times zoom, it was a lot more difficult to maintain the stabilization and maintain the focus there. But now it's more easy to keep it stable. But it's not that smooth in the zoom transitions still. This is a 5 times zoom. I'm not sure why it's lagging so much. 10 times zoom. I think 10 times it focuses very fast, but on the other modes. So guys, as we previously saw, the zoom transitions were lagging a lot. So let's redo this test and see if it happens again or if it was just a one-time thing. It's still a bit jittery. It was not like this before the update. It was slow before, but still it was manageable, but now it seems like it's lagging a lot. See, when the zoom 100 times zoom, previously, yeah, it was slow, but still the transition was smooth, but now it seems like it's struggling for that. But the stabilization has improved in the 100 times zoom mode. I'll show you this sample. Guys, I'm in 4K 30 right now, and let's see the stabilization. I couldn't go out today, so I'll just run in my house. That was a pretty bad fail at running. But let's see the transitions of focus and stabilization. The quality looks pretty good, and even the transitions are good. So I couldn't run, but I'll walk fast. $60 right now. $8K is still jittery and laggy in the viewfinder. We'll see how the final output is. So guys, after the June update, things were already looking pretty good for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's camera. But after the July update, as we've seen, the zoom transitions are a lot laggier. So hope this gets resolved in another future software update.